So exciting. With World Watercolour Month, my Patreons on Patreon contributes to supporting my art journey, and I'm so grateful for that. So this time round, seeing that it's World Watercolour Month, I decided to expand my tool collection in my studio. Tools that I really need in order just to make my life a little bit easier. And then I saw that because it's World Watercolour Month, let me not injure myself trying to open this bag. They had a special on some etcher tools for watercolorists, and usually that is quite expensive, and the special for World Watercolour Month was almost 50% off. Now, I do want to add, I'm not sponsored by this art supply store, but it is a store that I support because they take care of artists and they deliver to my door, and they have good deals and good service and they are trustworthy. So I decided I'm not going to let this opportunity pass me by, because sometimes it's good to invest in your craft and in your art, because then it also helps you to become a better artist, because it makes your life easier. So, oh my word, let's see what we have here. Dear Gideon, well done on your World Watercolour Month contributions. Enjoy this upgrade. Love, your Patreons. Just thank you so much to all my Patreons who support my channel on Patreon and my YouTube channel and my art journey. I'm so grateful for all of you, and for everyone behind the scenes that is supporting me, even if you're just watching my videos, liking it, sharing it and commenting. You are changing my life and supporting my art career in an invaluable way. So thank you to everyone who is supporting my channels and who is helping me move forward with this dream to be a good artist. This is a cap remover tool. Yay! You guys know, if you watch my acrylic tutorials, that sometimes I want to add paint to my palette and the caps won't open. So this McGafter sort of holds onto the cap and then you're able to twist it open. So yay! This is a game changer, because I usually had to run to the kitchen to get one of our kitchen tools in order to open the cap, hence the drama. So now I have that. Let's see, this is free stuff. I love free stuff. It is a postcard, but watercolor paper from Etcher. This is the brand that I'm raving about. I'm going to show you guys now. etcherlab.com. This is sketchbook, 250 gram cold press paper, 100% cotton, vegan friendly. How cool is that? I'll definitely have to paint this for World Watercolour Month. So look out for the episode entitled Postcard. I've just created content for myself. That's going to be fun. Before I get to the big stuff, redeem 6 months complimentary access to Etcher Studio, valued at $65. Yay! Thank you. And then I also got a beautiful brochure about their beautiful professional tools, and this is what we are looking at. So again, I'm not sponsored, I'm not paid. This is just stuff that I invest in because I think it's worth it, and here it is. And then I also got this tube extractor. This is like the serious mother size. I know some of the cheaper versions of this that you find everywhere, and I know that they don't work because this whole gear system is not strong enough. So this feels all metal, and this is going to help me to flatten those tubes and stop wasting color. Which way? This way. Yes, look how much paint is still in this tube. It's practically still half full, and I thought it's nearly empty. So that's a wonderful investment in saving actually on art materials. So that's wonderful. Now I wonder, before we get to the real stuff, is this just a protective board? Yes, I just wanted to make sure there's no extra other goodies hiding in there. So this is an Etcher mini palette. It's got 37 wells, and I chose the 37 one because I tend to want to work with a lot of color. And this is just excellent for traveling and for, again, freeing up some space on my table. And I saw this after I saw this mixing palette, which I'm using with my current core set. And I'm so grateful I invested in that. And therefore I know that this will also be awesome. So this will make my life easy, because sometimes I want to grab some of my materials and take it with me on a journey or a day out, so that maybe I can do some plein air painting. And you know, it's difficult to carry art materials with you if it doesn't come in specialized containers. Ooh. And here you have a beautiful color swatch that you can make to match exactly where you place the colors on watercolor paper. I love that. That is so cool. And here we go. So this is my palette. And if you remember how my watercolor tubes look like, let me grab some of them. Come Heather. I mean, this is for watercolor. This is the tubes of color. And now, instead of losing it in an enormous well like that, although this is fun to paint with, I can now dispense in each of these wells the color that I'm working with, and build a collection of that and mark it out on this color chart. And this is porcelain, so that is going to be wonderful. The only disadvantage is you will only be able to use small brushes to mix your color. And then it comes with a little baby mixing palette that's also porcelain. So it's a baby version of the Big Mama. Isn't that awesome? That is just so cute and beautiful. Yes, and I love these little protective layers. So then when you are done painting, you can just pack up and close up, throw it in your bag, and there you go. Bob's your uncle. So that is so exciting. Thank you, Etcher Lab. This is a beautiful product, and it is definitely going to enhance my watercolor journey, and I'm looking forward to working with it. So thank you guys. I just wanted to share this with you, because I know sometimes you might see a tool or something that you haven't thought of to use, or that could maybe change your life, or that you could add to your collection, and have fun with it. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you are an art supply store that happens to end up watching this video, I would love to do some product reviews and you know, see what you guys have to offer. So if you're interested, then give me a tinkle. I'm more than willing and capable of showing you guys what I think of your art materials. And I do love art materials, and you know I can rave about art materials for until the cows come home. So thank you to all of my patrons and to all of my channel supporters and friends and fans. I really appreciate you all in my life. Without you, this art journey would not be possible. So I'm really grateful for every single one that has either bought a piece of art from me, that has liked or watched a video, shared it and commented, and who is encouraging me on my journey. I'm grateful for you all. So I am gonna get this set up for myself and continue my watercolor journey. So check out for another episode coming up soon. I'll see you guys again. Bye bye for now.